everyone, my name is Margrette and I'm going to give a review on the new Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable Shampoo with Active Infusion. So it has flower, perfume oils, collagen, and vitamin B3. So thank you so much Sunsilk and Try and Review for this product. So what I can say is that it's very fragrant, same as the other Sunsilk variants. Humot gyud siya. It's fragrant and it's mabango. And what I can say, it's really a test to the promise of giving you smooth and manageable hair. Despite of me having curls, I was able to have manageable and smooth hair. So despite of my hair having a lot of hair loss, I'm really suffering hair loss right now. I was still able to achieve the promise of Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable Shampoo. What else can I say? Am I going to recommend this to my friends? Yes, if you're looking for a fragrant shampoo and something that can give you smooth and manageable hair, I can suggest that you use this shampoo. What else can I say? I hope that the new Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable Shampoo can also cure or at least improve hair fall so that I won't have to worry about it. But I guess it's offered in other variants. So I think that's going to be it. That's going to be my short review for the new Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable Shampoo. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye!